Hello friends, today we will see the chapter 3 pair of linear equation into variable, the method of elimination. So we have the two equations that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x or equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. Then to elimination means to eliminate means to remove. So either x variable or y variable we have to remove. So for that we require the either x variable coefficient or y variable coefficients are equal. So we will multiply both the equations with such a numbers that they are such that both the coefficients are equal. So here we can make either y variable equal or x variable equal. So first here we make the y variable equal. Then equation 1 multiplied by b2 and equation 1 2 multiplied by b1. Then we can see that we get the equation b2 a1x plus b2 b1y plus b2 equals to b2 c1. And here b1 a2x plus b1 b2y equals to b1 c2. So here we can see that y coefficients are equal and have the equal sign. So to eliminate them we have to subtract them. So either add or subtract, we have to do the equation. Then we subtract them, then we can get a1 b2 minus b1 a2x is equals to b2 c1 minus b1 c2. Now we get the linear equation in one variable. So to solve this, we can get the x value b2 c1 minus b1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus b1 b2. Now this value submit in this equation, then we can get the another variable y. So let's see through example. So here one of the example is given ratio of the two persons income is 9:7. So here income of two persons, person 1 will be 9x and income of person B will be 7x as the ratio is 9:7 and the ratio of the expenditure is given 4:3. So expenditure of person A will be 4y and expenditure of person B will be 3y. Now the individual savings are given 2000, that is means 9x minus 4y equals to 2000 and 7x minus 3y equals to 2000. Now we want to make elimination method. So we make the x and y value equal, either x or y. So y we have easy. So equation 1 and 2 are there. So equation 1 multiplied by 3 and equation 2 multiplied by 4. Then now here both the y variable has the equal sign, so we need to subtract them to eliminate, and so then subtracting them we can write that here 3 9s are 27x, 3 4s are 12y, 3 2s are 600, so 6000, and here multiply by 4, then 28x minus 12y equals to 4 2s are 8000, and so for subtraction we change the sign. and it will become minus x equals to minus 2000, and so x is equals to 2000. Now x is equals to 2000 we got, that we submitting any of the equation, so we can write x equals to 2000, submit in 9x minus 4y equals to 2000, and so 9 into 2000 minus 4y equals to 2000, so 18,000 minus 2000 equals to 4y, and so 4y equals to 16,000, and so y equals to 16,000 divided 4, which is 4,000. So like this way we can get the solution of x and y. Now our final answer was the monthly income. So monthly income are at 9x and 7x. So his monthly income will be 9x means 9 into 2000, that will be 18,000, and B's monthly income will be 7x. So 7 into 2000 will be 14,000. Now we will see the another example here. 2x plus 3y equals to 8 and 4x plus 6y equals to 7. So we make the x coefficient equals to equation 1 multiplied by 2, then both have the equal sign, so we have to subtract them, so subtracting them. So here we can get equation 1 multiplied by 2. So 4x plus 6y equals to 16, and here 4x plus 6y equals to 7. So we subtract them, and we can see that here cancel, so 0 equals to 9 we are getting, which is not true. And so its solution is not possible. So like this way, whenever we are getting the statement 0 equals to 9 means which is not true, then there is no solution. And suppose we get always true statement, then it has the infinitely many solution. Now we are given the question, the sum of two-digit numbers and the number obtained by reversing the number is 66. The digits in the number differ by 2. Find the number also. How many such numbers are there? So here two-digit numbers, so let's tens digit equals to x and unit digit equals to y. So expanded form of original number, we can write 10 into x plus y, because we know that 10 into 10 is plus unity is, that is the expanded form of any number. Now we reverse the digit, then y will become the unit digit and x will become the tens digit, and so expanded form of reverse number will be 10y plus x. Now here it is given that the addition is the 66, so 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equals to 66, and so 11x plus 11y equals to 66, so all three are divisible by 11, so we can write x plus y equals to 6. This is equation 1. Now for the equation 2, it is given that digits of number differ by 2. So digits differ by 2, and therefore so we take x as greater number, then x minus y equals to 2. That is the second equation. So by adding 1 and 2, we can get x plus y equals to 6, x minus y equals to 2. So y cancel, 2x equals to 4, so x is equals to 2. Sorry, 2x equals to 8, so x is equals to 8 by 2, so 4. So x is equals to 4 we got, and x equals to 4, submit in x plus y equals to 6, so 4 plus y equals to 6, so y equals to 6 minus 4, which is 2. So now unit digit, tens digit we have 4 and unit digit we have 2, and so the number equals to 42. Now here we have taken x is as greater, but suppose we take y as greater, and the number will be 24 also we can be possible, and so there are such two numbers which gives the addition of the 66. Now we have the exercise 3.4. Question 1 is that solve by elimination method. So to solve by elimination method, here we can see that x plus y equals to 5, 2x minus 3y equals to 4 is given. So y variable we make equal, then equation 1 here given, x plus y equals to 5, that multiply by 3. Equation 1 multiplied by 3. Now we can see the y variable signs are opposite to each other, and so then adding it with equation 2. So here equation 1 multiplied by 3, then 3x plus 3y equals to 15, 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So here we add them, then 3 plus 2 5x, 3y 3y cancel equals to 19. So x equals to 19 by 5. Now x equals to 19 by 5 we submit in equation 1. So we write that x equals to 19 by 5. Submit in x plus y equals to 5. So 19 by 5 plus y equals to 5. So y equals to 5 minus 19 by 5. So y equals to 25 minus 19 by 5, which is 6 by 5. Now question 2 we have 3x plus 4y equals to 10, 2x minus 2y equals to 2. So here also we will make y variable equal, then equation 2 multiply by 2, and both the equation have opposite signs, so we will add them. So we will write that equation 2 multiply by 2, then adding with 1, then first equation as it is, equation 1, 3x plus 4y equals to 10 as it is, then second equation multiply by 2, then 4x minus 4y equals to 4. So 4y cancel, 3 plus 4 7x equals to 14. So x equals to 14 plus 0, that is 2. Now x equals to 2, we submit in 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So x equals to 2, submit in 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Then 3 into 2 plus 4y equals to 10. So 6 plus 4y equals to 10. So 4y equals to 4. So y equals to 1. So solution equals to 1. Now we are given the question 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0, which will be 3x minus 5y equals to 4 in ax plus by equals to c format, and this will be 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So here easily we can make the x coefficient equal, so equation 1 multiplied by 3, then both the coefficients are equal, so subtracting it with equation 2. So here we can write it 9x minus 15y equals to 12, and here 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So minus plus minus 9x minus 13y equals to 5. So y equals to minus 5 by 13. So y equals to minus 5 by 13 is submitting 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So 9x minus 2 into minus 5 by 13 equals to 7. So 9x plus 10 by 13 equals to 7. So 9x equals to 7 plus 10 minus 10 by 13, which is 91 minus 10 by 13. So x is equals to 81 by 13 into 9. So 9 9s are, and so x is equals to 9 by 13. And so the solution x equals to 9 by 13, y equals to minus 5 by 13. Now here we are given two equations in the fraction form. So if we convert into integer form, then it will be easy. So both the equations multiplied by the LCM. So first the equation multiplied by 6, then here 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6, and here 3x minus y equals to 9. Now both have the x coefficients equal, so no need to multiply, and then equation 2 subtracting from equation 1, we get 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6, 3x minus y equals to 9, so minus plus minus, so 3x cancel, 5y equals to minus 15, so y equals to minus 15 by 5 minus 3. Now y equals to minus 3, submitting 3x minus y equals to 9. So 3x minus minus 3 equals to 9. So 3x plus 3 equals to 9. So 3x equals to 6, and so x is equals to 6 by 3, 2, and so we have solution x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3.